Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds in the evening. Lows in the mid-30s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 40 miles an hour in the evening, decreasing to 30 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of rain 90%.
Mother Nature's letting me have it. So this is rain camping at a Teardrop trailer. Now, normally I'm okay. I can just cook under this overhang. I can put up another pavilion over it. But what's going on today is there's heavy duty winds. It's gusting to 40 miles an hour. We've had some pretty powerful gusts come through. So I can stand under here and you know, when that wind comes, it brings that rain right into you. I can stand out here and get soaked. I have waterproof clothing and all that, but you know, I'm looking for a more cozy experience. I could cook dinner out here and then eat it in the trailer, but I'm going into the inner sanctum. Plan B for me is to make dinner here in this cozy clam shelter. I've deployed the camping stove to heat up some fresh ravioli. The wind is really roaring. The other camera wouldn't work. It had the lens fogged up. A really nice storm. It's like 40-mile-an-hour winds out there, and they gust. It's raining heavily, and the clam shelter is holding up, you know, really well. I have all the pegs in the ground. There's one, two. There's like 8 of them or 6 of them, and so the corners are all staked out, and the guy ropes are all staked out. And, you know, the door is bowing in for the wind. You know, so risk-wise, the worst that could happen is the clam shelter will blow off me, and there's some trees behind me. It'll just get stuck in that back there, and I'll have to go back in I'll have to go in the trailer. Well, there it goes again. I caught it again. I can feel the wind pushing down in this when I push it up. It's pretty heavy with water too. I don't think it's a bad feature, you know, that the clam collapses. It stops a lot of worse damage that could have happened to this, or that resistant to collapsing. So it's kind of got a built-in stress reliever, in my opinion. Wow. The winds are so heavy, I'm just going to leave it down for a little bit. Plan A was to have make dinner out behind the trailer, but it rained an awful lot and it was heavy-duty winds. So I abandoned that and I went to Plan B, which was to make dinner in the clam shelter with a backpacker stove, which is a good thing to carry. But the wind got so bad that the top of the clam shelter was imploding, which is a good thing. It stops the struts from breaking. I don't see it as a big issue. Some people have talked about putting poles in there to hold them up. I did not do that. I just let it flex, and I just pushed it back up when the wind forced it down. We had winds. They said there were 60-mile-an-hour gusts last night. And off in the distance, I could see transformers blowing off on the horizon. It looked like a war was going on. But so Plan C was to abandon the clam shelter and go into the trailer. It didn't come into that, but I had a great night anyway. And after about 10 or 11 o'clock at night, it cleared. I was able to do stargazing from the trailer. So it was just a wonderful night in general to experience Mother Nature.